The cost of doing business is becoming more expensive, but more companies are finding ways to save. Action News anchor Amanda Venegas takes us to Merced County, where one company has found a creative way to reuse energy.
Almonds are their business at Minturn Huller Cooperative, and much like their product, the company is now being powered by the sun.
Everybody wants to see something improving air quality, that kind of thing. So the solar gives us a huge impact on CO2 offsets, and that kind of thing. Obviously there's a financial impact. I mean, it helps our bottom line.
Jeff Hamilton with Minturn says they're seeing a 42% savings from the new solar structure, and it's powering one of the company's 3 buildings on its own. Electrical costs have been one of their top expenses. The cooperative is made up of 300 farmers from Madera and Merced counties. They recently turned to Pickett Solar with a challenge.
He said the only dilemma we have is we have no ground. You can't use any ground because we're maximized out here and we need it all for harvest. And I was like, whoa, okay. So we had to get creative.
So they decided to create a parking structure the size of a football field.
There's nothing like this in the Central Valley. I don't even know if there's anything like this in California this size. So we are very proud.
Pickett says more companies are turning to green power.
I would honestly say 90% of our business is ag, because they're up against everything, rising energy costs, rising, everything's rising on them, from labor, etc. They've got to find a way to cut costs everywhere.
For Minturn, it's energy they're using to power their business and keep up with growing demand for almonds across the U.S. and world.
Pickett Solar says they believe they'll continue to see more ag companies go green, not only because of the cost savings, but also the tax credit. That number will begin to change in 2019 and go down. In Merced County, Amanda Venegas, ABC30 Action News.